Good morning and welcome to this segment of the program. Inuarata Nosahai is my name. I am the business coach and workforce trainer. So good to come your way this morning and add premium value to your day. Now, strategy is what you do that takes you from where you are to where you want to be. This is what many businesses, many visionaries and organizations do every now and then. There are things you need to do to help you achieve your goals, to help you have that leading edge in the marketplace, have that cutting edge, have that point of differentiation from your competitors, so that you will be able to, stand out in the marketplace in what you do. Now, when it comes to the issue of, strategy that's, I'm talking about now, you see a situation whereby, businesses, organizations engage advertisement strategy to achieve their business goals. Now, when you advertise, this is very important. When you advertise, what you want to do is to create awareness. Create awareness on your product offering, on your service offering. You create awareness on your location, probably on the channels through which your prospective customers can reach you. You may even create awareness on your price, that you use in offering your products and your services. When you advertise, when you engage a strategy of advertisement, the major thing you want to do is to create awareness. And this is very, very, very important. Every now and then, it is very important you create this awareness of what you do, engaging the different channels of advertisement. But you must understand that when you advertise, you don't only just create awareness, you are also raising expectation. When you go to television, you go to radio to advertise, when you advertise using newspapers, magazines, when you even go to the internet to do advertisement on different social media platforms, when you advertise, you are not only just creating awareness, you are also raising prospect expectations, you are raising customers' expectation on your performance, on what you can do. You are raising expectation, on the fact that you will be able to deliver XYZ, services. You will be able to deliver ABC value as a result of the advertisement you are doing. So advertisement does not only just create awareness, advertisement also arouses expectation. Now, this is where we have problem in our business environment. Most experiences and performances that businesses gives to their customers does not always match up with the expectation that they have aroused from advertisement. This is a very big dilemma. This is a serious gap, that at the end of the day does not project the business in a positive light, does not present the business in a positive way. You go on television, probably you run a private school, you have a private school, you have a hotel business that you are running, you go on TV, you go on radio, and then, you say you have these services, you have this product, you have XYZ services and all the rest. And then, as you are doing that, people get excited. Their expectation is aroused. They want to come. But the problem is that, the experience you now give to them does not match up with the expectation that you have aroused as a result of your advertisement. Initially, when you were advertising, your plan was to create awareness. I'm adding to that awareness creation from advertisement that, advertisement does not only just create awareness, advertisement also arouses expectation. And you must do everything practically possible to see that the performance you give to your customers, the performance you give to your prospect when they come around, as a result of the advertisement you did, which aroused their expectation, that performance, that experience you give to them must match up with the expectation that you have aroused. Now listen to me. The experience, the performance you give to your customers and you give to your clients is what crafts your brand, is what defines your brand. This is very important. Your brand is not what you advertise. Your brand is your performance. Your brand is the experience you give. And at the end of the day, this go a long way to determine if the customers will be loyal to you or if the customer will just go away. So you must do everything possible to see that as you go on air to advertise on that restaurant business you run, on the hotel business, on the school business, you must do everything possible to make sure that your brand promise your brand promise that comes from advertisement, which arouses brand expectation, the brand performance you bring matches with the brand promise. Your brand performance, your brand experience must always match with your brand promise. When you advertise, what you are doing is that you are making a brand promise. Yes, that is what you are doing. Whenever you advertise, whenever you go on TV, on radio, newspaper, flyer, social media to make those posts about the service you render, you are making a brand promise that this is what I have the capacity to do. This is what I have the capacity to deliver. And your brand experience, your brand performance must match with that brand promise that you are making as a result of advertisement. This is very important. And one thing that drives, brand performance, brand experience, matching up with brand promise is a positive brand culture. A positive brand culture, a positive brand character. And having a positive brand culture, a positive brand character cannot happen when there is no consistent and regular training and retraining of your people. It is very, very important you have a BBV, a business brand vision of wanting to be being known for something positive. And for you to achieve that, you need a positive brand culture, like I just mentioned. You need a positive brand character. And to develop that solid brand character, you must continue to build the capacity of your people. Capacity is the ability to perform. Capacity building is strengthening and enhancing the ability to perform. You must consistently see that at the beginning of the year, every month, every quarter, you gather your people together, invite persons like Inuarata Nosahai, let them come around and activate your people in order for you to have that brand character, that brand culture that will ensure that the brand performance, the brand experience you give to your customers always matches with the brand expectation that you have, aroused as a result of your brand promise from your advertisement. This is very, very, very important. I believe that lots of value have been added to your day-to-day. And let me say this, as I will always say, the essence of information is for you to take action on them, is for implementation. Take action on this information. And I also believe that you want to reach me so that we can put your people together, train them on exceptional customer service, train them on effective teamwork for peak performance, train them on strategies for resolving workplace conflict. And at the end of the day, you have that brand character that will create that brand culture that will make sure that your brand performance, your brand experience matches with your brand promise. This is very key. My phone numbers are right there on the screen. The MTN line is 080-6686-5060. I take that again, 080-6686-5060. The Glow line is equally there, 080-529-29 again, 120. I'll be continuing from this point next week. And when I return, I will remain Inuarata Nosahai. Your day is blessed. Thank you.